I learned to trust that God was in control. I learned to lean not to my own understanding. Some things you can only learn in the battle, in the difficulty, when you don't see a way. But God wouldn't have allowed it if it wasn't working for your good. If it's not changing, maybe God is changing you. He's giving you an opportunity to grow, to develop greater character, to prove to Him that you won't give up easily, that you'll do the right thing when it's hard, that you'll believe when every thought says to doubt, that you'll believe when every thought says to doubt, that you'll stand strong in faith even when you're facing a Goliath. Isaiah 41 says, God will harden you to difficulty. Some of the things I face today, if I would have faced 20 years ago, they would have defeated me. God knows what you can handle. As you keep passing these tests, what's happening is He's hardening you to difficulty. You're getting stronger. Your faith is growing. Your endurance is increasing. Your spiritual muscles are being built up. The reason God is doing this is because there are awesome things in your future. God is taking you to a wide and spacious place. He's going to enlarge your territories. But here's the key. With greater influence comes greater giants. With greater blessings comes greater opposition.